I repeat, the divisibility rules. So today I am discussing the divisibility rules of the all numbers. 2, any even number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. That number is divisible by 2. Now 3, the sum of all digits is divisible by 3. That means that number is divisible by 3. 4, last two digits. If last two digits is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. 5, if last digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. 6, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6, because product of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. Now 7, no need to memorize it because it is very difficult, and to use the property, before the using the property is satisfied or not, you can divide the number first. Then 8, last 3 digits is divisible by 8. 9, sum is divisible by 9, then divisible by 9. 10, last digit 0. 11, sum of the even place, sum of the digits of the even place digits, sum of the even place digits minus sum of the odd place. Yes, the difference is divisible by then the difference is divisible by 11. Then this is 12, divisible by 4 and 3. Look, here 4 and 3 are two co-prime numbers. So this 12 can be divided by 4 and 3. These two are a number. Again 72. So what is the divisibility rules of 72? If any number this, so tell me what two number which are the product of two co-prime number, after that this becomes 72. Tell me. This is no, 9 and 8. Look, these are co-prime to each other. So what is co-prime number? Everyone know what is co-prime number, what is perfect number, what is triplet, what is number, these numbers everyone know. The real number is co-prime means if two numbers having the one factor 1, common factor only 1, that is assume that two number is 1. So 72 is divided by 9 and 8. So this number is divisible by. In class 6 everyone know, প্রত্যেকটা জানা উচিত ছিল, class 7 also class 6 এগুলো ছিল. So next this 72 can be written as 9 and 8. Suppose 33. What is the divisibility rules of 32? The 33. Yes. 99.
11 and 9.
What is the divisibility rules of 16? What is the
Divisible by 2 and 4.
No. 2 and 4 are not co-prime. 2 and 8 are not co-prime. So last, look, 4, 8, 16. Here last 3 digits. Here last 4 digits. Divisible by 16. So here last
5 digits.
5 digits. Divisible by 30. Okay. So this is the divisibility rules. Now 99. Now I am telling you what is the divisibility rules of 81. Now can you say everyone? Yes.
Now
27 divisible rules.
Divisible by 3, only 3, then divisible. Okay.
9 also.
33 is divisible by 3, but 33 is not divisible by 27. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Pragati. Yes. Pragati, tell me. भूल हो. 3 and 9 are not co-prime. Just look at the board. Here 3, 9, 27, 81. One similarity is that 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 27 3 are 81. So this sum is divisible by 81. Sum is divisible by 27. Suppose a long number is there, long number, and after adding this becomes also 3-digit number. After adding this number get 3-digit number. Again apply the sum. After that, after sometimes this becomes 81. Suppose 81. After adding the operation, last finally you get 81. This 81 is divisible by 81. Suppose 54 is there. 54. So 54 is divisible by 27. You can solve na easily. So you can say here this is the divisible by 27. So sum is divisible by 81 and sum is divisible by 27. This number is divisible by 27 or 27 or 81. So I think clear, students.
Yes, sir.
So everyone please note it in your copy.
Sir.
Is it noted or not?
Yes, sir.
Acha.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, everyone note it. And
Sir, your video is stopped.
after this class I am uploading the video on the YouTube. You can see the full video in my channel. Okay, if you want to subscribe the channel, then you can see the full video. After this another device I am uploading the recording the video, and you can see the whole video. Next.
So can I ask you something?
Yes.
So you said that the divisibility rule of 32 is last 5 digits should be divisible by 32.
Acha. So have any problem to find out the solution? To find the solution?
So if the number consists of 3 digits,
Slowly. Just Pragati, you are on your camera. Turn on your camera. Yes. Now tell me. Are you using the mic in front of your? Just unmute yourself. যখন মাইকটা কথা বলবে কাছে নেবে না, জাস্ট দূর ডিস্টেন্স মেনটেন করে বলবে। ওকে, সোশ্যাল ডিস্টেন্সিং মেনটেন করবে।
sir, now
Because your sound is very loud and is not clear. Just making the distance, then the sound will be clear. সোশ্যাল ডিস্টেন্সিং করতে হবে না, কোভিড-19 এখন চলছে, পজিটিভ হয়ে যাচ্ছে সমস্ত, সেই জন্য মুখ থেকে মাইকটাকেও ডিস্টেন্স মেনটেন করবে। ওকে, নাও টেল মি হোয়াট হ্যাপেন্ড। Now on, yes.
so I'm asking that so I'm going to be chat with you.
Yes, tell me. Unmute yourself, then tell me.
Sir, I'm writing my doubt in chat section.
No, you just tell me. However, when anyone asking any question, please I am requesting to you, please on your camera, then ask. Then whenever you are asking your question eye to eye contact, when I am seeing your face, what is the problem, then this is better to understand but explain. Whenever I am watching you in that time, it's very easy to understand any kind of problems. Okay. Because I'm using the camera, so I have to connect another device, then I can see. Okay, you write the question on the chat box, then another one please read the question. Okay, so this portion is completed.
Yes, sir.
Divisibility rules. Next, I'm going to the next part. What is the number? 2-digit number, 3-digit number. Okay, I'm giving you one problem. Suppose one number is 5, 6, 7, 3, x 2, 5. Now this is the number, and this number is divisible by wait, I'm changing the question. 5 1 1 x 5 9 4 9 is divisible by 11. Then find the value of x. You have to find the value of x. Acha, in class 6 and 7 everyone do the sum. Suppose 3x 2 is divisible by 3, then find the value of x. Here 3x2 is divisible by 3, so find the is divisible by, and this sign means divisible. This sign means divisible by 2. So 3 plus x plus 2, this becomes 5 plus x. So what is the value of x? X will be 1. 5 plus 1, 6 is divisible by 1. Or 4 also there. Then 1 or 4 may be the answer, because if this is 1, then 3 plus 1 plus 2, this is 6. This 6 is divisible by 3. Again this is 4. 4, 3 and 2, this also divisible by 3. So what will be the answer? 1 and 4. Similarly here I am telling you the odd place and even place. Let us assume this is the odd place. The red sign is the odd place, and blue colors are the even place. Is it visible, students?
Yes.
So sum of odd places. What? 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4, and even places. Sum of, this is 1 plus x plus 9 plus 9, right? So please everyone see your copy. I am written what is the divisibility rules of 11. The divisibility rules of 11 is difference between the sum of odd places minus sum of even places, or sum of
Yes,
odd places minus even places, or even places minus odd places. This doesn't matter. So you can subtract odd place to even place or even place to odd place.
Sir, Prabhati has written the question in the chat box.
Yes, this value will be 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15, and this will be 19 plus x. Now 19 plus x minus 15, what is this? This will be 4 plus x. So now tell me what will be the x? Then this number is divisible by 11. What will be the value of x? What is the minimum value of x? X is the digit.
Sir, it can be 7.
Because x is the single digit. X is the single digit. So x must be 7, because 4 plus 7 is equal to 11, and this 11 is divisible by 11. This 11 is divisible by 11. So the value of x is 7. Is it clear, everyone? Suppose
Yes.
same question. Same question is, just wait. Now I am giving you another problem. I think this one is clear, na everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, no. Everyone understand? I just repeat. This is the number. And what is the divisibility rules of 11? Sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places, or sum of the even places minus sum of the odd places. Even places is divisible by 11. If the value is 0, then also divisible by 11. If the value is 11, then also divisible by 11. 20 divisible by 11. So this is the sum of the odd places 15 and sum of the even places is 19 plus x. We are just difference. 19 plus x minus 15, this becomes 4 plus x. So to write this x as 7, this will be 7 plus 4, 11. That's why the value is divisible by 11. Understand? Clear? Next, I am giving you another problem. One five three. 5 2 x 847. 847 is divisible by 33. Then find the value of x. Then you have to find the value of x. You have to find the value of x. Suppose this is the odd places. Then what will be the odd place? Student, is it visible? Is the board visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, but a little bit
Hazy. To all of you, hazy.
No, sir, it's clear.
Crystal clear.
Yes,
Or clear?
sir.
Okay. Now this is the even place. These are the even places. So sum of the odd places is 1 plus 3 plus, tell me. 1 plus 3 plus
2 plus 8 plus 7.
then what is the sum of the even places?
5. Again 5.
Then tell me.
4.
So what is the sum of this? What will be the sum?
21.
This is 21. 22.
And 21.
Sir, it will be 21.
And what is the value of this? 40.
40.
Yes. Now the difference. Difference is 21 minus 14 plus x. Here you have to must written the negative sign, then 21 minus 14 minus x. This will be 7 minus x. So this must be divisible by 11. So what will be the value of x?
That's 7. 4.
Huh?
So 4.
4.
That's 7. It's 4.
4. If the value is 4, then 7 minus 4, this is 3.
Then x value 7 got
7 minus 7, yes, then this is 0. 0 always divisible by any number. So the x is 7. Is it clear, everyone? So this kind of problems also you can.
So please can you repeat this sum?
This is the number and this number is divisible by 33. Acha. So x is equal to 7. If x is equal to 7, then this number is divisible by 11. But we cannot say this number is also divisible by 33. This is divisible by 11 only. But we cannot say this is divisible by 33. So again we have to apply the number is divisible by 3 or not. So
Three
you have to
and
check,
three.
yes, 21 plus 14 plus x. This is the sum of all digits. So 21 plus 14 plus 7. This will be 42. Look, 42 is divisible by 3 also.
Yes, sir.
So since the number is divisible by 11 and 3 both, so we can say that the number is divisible by 33. Okay. Now I am giving you
Yes, sir.
one. Now I am giving you another question. The number is divisible by 72. The number is divisible by 72. Then find the value of x. The number is divisible by 72. Then what must be divisible? What must be divisible? 4, 6, x, 6, 9, 2, 0 is divisible by 72. Is divisible by 72. Then what number is divisible by this? What is the value of x? If the number is divisible by 72, then what number is divisible by x? What number is divisible? If this number is divisible by 72, then you have to find the value of x. Then find x. Can you solve? না কি আমি করে দেবো অঙ্কটা বলো
না স্যার আমরা
আমরা করবে ওকে করো ট্রাই করো এভরিওয়ান ট্রাই at first please everyone tell me the divisibility rules of 72
স্যার 9 and 8
9
So 9 minutes.
okay what is the divisibility rules of 9
Sir, the sum is divided by 9.
yes sum mute yourself please mute sum of the digits 4 plus 6 plus x plus 6 plus 9 plus 2 plus 0 what
Sir, 27 plus 6.
yes
27 plus 6.
27 plus x. Now this number is divisible by 9. When? If
Sir, x equals to 0.
x equal to 0 or 9,
Yes, sir.
right? If x is 0 or x is 9, then this number is divisible by 9. If x is 0 or 9, then the number is divisible by 9. So now we have to check the number is divisible by 8 or not. Look, to divisible the number 8 or not, we have to check the last 3 term. Last 3 term. 9 to 0 is divisible by 8 or not? 8 ones are 8, 1 2, 8
Yes.
ones are 8, 4 0, 8 5s are 40. So the number is divisible by 8. So here 0 and 9 both are correct. So for any this kind of sum, the value of x may be 1, maybe 2 or maybe more than 2. Okay? Everyone, Prabhati, clear?
Yes, sir.
Shivani, Shreyans,
Yes, sir.
Shreyans.
Sir, Shriyanshu.
Oh, Shreyanshu, अच्छा Shreyanshu. Devarpon,
Yes, sir.
ঈশ্বর, মেঘনা, প্রজ্ঞা, প্রণয়, কৌস্তব, সাক্ষী, সৌরায়ন, শিবানী, শ্রেয়াংশু, সৃষ্টি, তানিশা।
Sir, your video is slow.
হ্যাঁ,
Yes, now sir, I can see.
is it now see? Yes. Now I am giving you another question. Then I will discuss. Then I will discuss the next one. Now, next one. I am giving you next one problem. The number is divisible by 99. Some number is divisible by 99. One number is divisible by 99. Just wait. I'm giving you the long question. Long. into 4 1 9 x 5 5 5 5 6 6 7 8 6 0 is divisible by 99. Then find the value of x. 4 1 9 x 5 5 6 6 7 8 6 0 is divisible by 99. Then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Okay. The number is divisible by 99. Then the number is divisible by then find the value of x. If the number is divisible by,
Sir, I found the value of x.
okay, wait. बाकीला करूँ. Then find the value of x. So what is the divisibility rules of 99? Done.
Yes, sir.
So even place. 1 plus x plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 0. What? And odd. 4 plus 9 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6. What? Tell me. This is
Sir, 20 plus 6.
and this one is
37.
37. Now, difference. 37 minus 20 plus x. This will be 17 minus
Minus
x.
x.
So what will be the value of x if this number is divisible by 11?
X equals to 6.
6. Then 11, 17 minus 2. Then, so you get the value of x is equal to 6. Okay, then you have to check the number is actually divisible by 99 or not. And maybe the question is wrong. So you have to check in that this number is divisible by 9 or not.
Yes.
So total will be 20 plus x is 6. Please mute. So what is the please mute everyone? Please mute.
Sir, 63.
This is 63. Look, 63 must be obviously divisible by 9. So the number is divisible.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So I have a next class on Tuesday, right?
Yes,
No, sir,
sir.
I don't know.
Okay, on Tuesday I'll discuss on this, the what is the 2-digit number, how to represent 2-digit number, how to represent 3-digit number, how to represent 3-digit, 4-digit number on the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And have any doubt from the visualizing short itself, then you can ask. if you have any doubt from visualizing solid shapes, then you can ask. What is the Euler's formula, students? Devarkon, tell me, what is the Euler's formula?
What, sir?
Euler's formula. Do you know what is Euler's formula? Do you know? Please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Do you know? Yes or no?
Sir, no.
Why no? Are you following the class on the previous day?
Yes, sir.
So you are not practicing in your home. You must practice on it. And also I am sending the photo of the pages in your group. Are you not copied?
Yes, sir, I have copied.
So you don't know the formula of Euler's formula. This is a very, very important part of visualizing solid shapes. You must memorize it. Any other student, please tell me what is the Euler's formula?
Sir, can I say?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, F plus B equals to E plus 2.
A
Sir,
plus.
F plus B is equal to E plus 2.
Yes. So suppose this type of question is there for pentagonal prism. Suppose for pentagonal prism, how many faces are there? How many vertices are there? How many edges are there? And after that you have to verify it. The one question is, please verify the Euler's formula for the pentagonal prism. So at first you have to draw the figure, pentagonal prism. So two pentagon on both sides, two pentagon on the both sides, and all vertices, opposite vertices are joined. Suppose this is the pentagon. This is the pentagon and the vertices are joined. And the vertices are joined. Then the figure is pentagonal prism. Look, this side is pentagon and all vertices are joined. So 5 sides in this place, and this is 1 and this is 1. How many faces are there here? So face is 7. How many vertices? 10. How many edges?
15.
15. So Euler's formula is F plus V is equal to E plus 2. Now left hand side, F plus V is equal to 7 plus 10, this is equal to 17, and right hand side, E plus 2 is equal to 15 plus 2, this is also 17. So verified, both are same. So pentagonal prism is a figure. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Listen, student, if you have any problem and someone typing that today is the first class, okay, you can see the recorded class in YouTube. I am uploading the video on the YouTube, in my channel, YouTube channel. You can see the Parag Kanti Pradhan on the YouTube. You can search, just write my name on the YouTube, Parag Kanti Pradhan. Then you can see the video. And today's class also uploading after this class. You can see anytime. Okay. And whenever you can subscribe the channel, then you can see the videos every time. Okay. Okay. I have seen. Okay. Very good. Just follow the class. Okay, students. Bye bye. Are you enjoyed the class today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone, please everyone attend the class and join the class in perfect time, exact time. Okay. Yes, Prabhuti, what happened?
Sir, is my voice clear now? Hello?
Your voice is clear now. Someone,
Thank you, sir.
just wait. Pragati, are you present? I'm asking that how could we find out a number is divisible by 32 if the number consists 3 digits, as the divisibility rules 32 is last 5 digit is divisible by. Okay, very good question, Pragati. Are you present, Pragati, now?
Yes, sir, I'm present.
Very good question. Suppose 5 3 4 is the last 3 digit, so before 2 digits are this, so 00534 is divisible by 32 or not, last 5 digit, so you can ignore. So this 3 digit is divisible by 32 or not, you have to check. Okay, and in that time you can divide. After dividing you get the answer. Very good question, but you can assume the previous 2 digits are 0, so no value. Before any number 0 is invalid, right? Okay, bye bye students.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Stay home, stay healthy. Okay, any other doubt? Okay, everyone please left. Someone till now not left, please left. Sriyan, who is left? Mohit, please left. Mohit, please left from the class. সো আজকে ক্লাসটা আমি দিলাম, তো তোমরা ফেসবুকে এটা তো রয়েছে, দেখে নিও, ভালো করে বুঝতে পারবে। আর প্রত্যেক দিনের ক্লাস কিন্তু আমি এইভাবে লাইভ হয়, ইউটিউব লাইভ চলবে, নাহলে ফেসবুক লাইভ চলবে। সো আপনারা কন্টিনিউ থাকতে পারেন, বাড়িতে বসেও কিন্তু এইভাবে কিন্তু ক্লাসগুলো, প্রত্যেকটা ক্লাস 7, 8, 9, 10 এর ক্লাসগুলো দেখতে পারেন। কখনো কখনো স্কিপ করে যাই, হয়তো প্রাইভেটে যখন হয় তখন আরও বেটার করানো যায়, তো আপনারা কিন্তু এটা করতে পারেন, দেখতে পারেন। ফেসবুক লাইভের ক্লাস এটা, এই ফেসবুক লাইভের ক্লাসটাকে আমি রেকর্ড করে যেহেতু ইউটিউবে দিচ্ছি, অতএব পিকচারটা কিন্তু ঠিকঠাক নাও হতে পারে, তাও আপনারা দেখুন কতটা ভালো করা যায়। ওকে, টাটা, ভালো থাকবেন আপনারা।